Hey everybody, this is Ian here at Vaporleaf, and today I'm going to show you how to fill your Probox all-in-one and how to prime your coils. First, you're going to want to grip this airflow ring and unscrew. After you do that, you should see your coil still attached to the bottom of that top portion. Go ahead and unscrew your coil from that. Alright, and if you can see, in that coil there's a tiny little hole in the center. Go ahead and apply some juice to the cotton through that hole. It'll take a little while for the cotton to saturate, and then apply some more. Repeat that process until the cotton isn't soaking up any more juice. Once you do that, grab a tissue, paper towel, whatever you have handy, and shake out that coil. Get all of that excess juice out of there. After you've done that, you can screw the coil back onto the top portion. Alright, now that the coil's primed, you're going to want to fill your juice. If you can see there's a max line on the window, that shows you where to fill your juice to, obviously. You don't want to fill it any higher than that because when you put this coil back in, it's going to displace the juice in the tank. And if you fill it higher than the max line, it'll overflow on you. So you just fill straight through that center hole until your juice hits that max line. Now that that's done, go ahead and screw the top portion back onto the base of your device. After you do that, make sure your airflow's open. It's really easy to accidentally close off your airflow, and if you go to take a hit with that closed airflow, you'll get nothing but burnt cotton.
Alright, thank you so much for watching. You can pick this up on our website at vaporleaf.com or come check it out in our shop in Lakewood, Colorado. We'll see you next time. Bye.